Biopan is a tool that allows users to upload their own lipidomics dataset and obtain biosynthetic pathway analysis. Using Biopan, users can explore systematic changes in lipid pathways at different levels by comparing a control against a condition of interest. In addition, the user can choose to visualize biosynthetic pathways of lipid subclass and each lipid molecular species. The pathways will be highlighted as active or suppressed, and changes in gene activity will also be predicted. Biopan is available on the LipidMaps website at lipidmaps.org/biopan. Before using Biopan, we recommend reading the documentation. Biopan is fully integrated with lipid links, allowing the user to upload datasets from different naming conventions and levels of structural information. Biopan takes an input file in CSV format containing lipid molecular species in the first column and sample names in the first row. It is possible to try Biopan using one of the two demonstration files. A small one to understand how Biopan works, and the complete one to perform a more complex analysis. After loading the selected file, the table summarizes the data extracted from the input file. The unrecognized molecular species for species whose subclass is not recognized by Biopan, the processed molecular species for species that are involved in at least one reaction, and the unprocessed molecular species for species that are not involved in any reaction. By clicking on the associated number, the list of unrecognized, processed, and unprocessed molecular species is displayed. If you uploaded your own file, there is a mapping between the Biopan nomenclature and the nomenclature used in your dataset. Here, you can assign a condition to each sample. After clicking on Assign Conditions, Biopan will create the files that will allow visualizing the different graphs, scores, and tables. The Pathway browser consists of several components. At the top, a link to the LipidMaps homepage. The menu bar is on the left. The result tables at the bottom. And the viewport at the center of the screen displays the pathways. At the top right of the viewport are buttons to export the results and to check the documentation. There are two menu boxes. The Pathway Options box contains the Conditions for Comparison menu. Select the conditions of samples to compare. The Type menu. Visualize the lipid or fatty acid pathways. The Status menu. Select the Active option to search for active pathways which have changed in the samples of interest relative to the control samples. Biopan computes a statistical Z-score for each reaction and compares it with the chosen p-value. Select the most active option to search the most active pathways. In the same way, select the suppressed or most suppressed options to identify suppressed pathways which have changed in the samples of interest compared to the control samples. The Level menu. Visualize the pathway at the subclass or lipid molecular species level. The Filter. Apply a filter using the tree or the search field to view only metabolic pathways involving the selected lipids. Via the search field, it is for example possible to select by lipid subclass or a cell chain. The subset of lipid data menu. Select the Reactions option to view all the reactions that are recognized by Biopan and the Pathways one to visualize reactions involved in non-pathways. In the Pathway Calculation box, select the p-value to apply and specify the data are paired. Apply the changes in this box by clicking on Calculate Pathways. The graphs represent the pathways obtained from the input dataset. The nodes correspond to lipids and the arrows correspond to reactions. The node's shape denotes the category of lipids and the color denotes the pathway status. The color of the arrows depend on the value of the score, green for positive scores and purple for negative. The legend of the graphs is available on the left bar. More information on the lipids is available by clicking on the nodes. For the lipid subclass graphs, the selected and non-selected molecular species for a reaction are available by clicking on the arrows. The reactions, pathways with a particular status are visible on the viewport, and the results are stored in flow tables. More information on the predicted genes is available by clicking on it. The viewport and results can be exported. It is possible to export the drawn graphs in JPEG and PNG, the content in TXT and JSON, and the flow result tables. Your analysis stays available for 40 days. Save the URL by bookmarking the page and come back to continue the analysis later. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, contact info@lipidmaps.org.